Wake up, Daddy's home.
Welcome home, sir. Congratulations on the opening ceremonies. They were such a success, as was your Senate hearing. And may I say how refreshing it is to finally see you in a video with your clothing on, sir.
You! I swear to God, I'll dismantle you, I'll soak your motherboard, I'll turn you into a wine rack.
Hello and welcome to the 8th episode of Devlog. In this series, we're building an ambitious payroll SaaS from scratch all the way to our first customer. This episode is more of a show and tell episode since a lot has happened in the past 2 weeks. I took a break from working on the app to put together a landing page for the business. In the meantime, Michael was hard at work preparing a pitch deck outlining our plans and goals. First up, let's take a look at the Nobility Pay logo. It's a fleur-de-lis or flower of the lily, which is a stylized lily that has been used as a decorative symbol for centuries. In many cultures, especially in France, the fleur-de-lis is seen as a symbol of royalty. French monarchs used the symbol on their shields, and it appeared on countless European coats of arms and flags over the centuries. This fits well with our nobility aesthetic. There are a few variants of the logo: blue, dark, filled, outlined, etc. At least for now, the blue filled variant will be the main company logo. When there is enough room, the emblem will be accompanied by the Nobility Pay text. In other cases, the emblem by itself will suffice. This logo was made for the pitch deck, company documents, and the landing page. Speaking of the landing page, let's take a look at the landing page. I know, incredible segue. A dazzling concoction of modern sophistication and a splash of mysterious allure. As you navigate its digital corridors, you'll be bathed in neon lights reminiscent of a late-night soiree in the Matrix. The hues of Matrix Blue, which I can only describe as cyber chic, flirt with your eyes, inviting you into the opulent universe of Nobility Pay. A digital ballroom where both code and elegance dance in perfect harmony. At its very heart, an ensemble of features and elegant add-ons, all orchestrated with finesse. And as the crescendo builds, a tantalizing snippet of the final magnum opus reveals itself, promising an experience as grand as the tales of old. This, my friends, this is no mere webpage. We are amidst a symphony of style and technology. Of course, the webpage is responsive and available in the mobile, tablet, and desktop views. Very cool. Alright, so the landing page is done, and I think it looks pretty good. Sort of a modern tech aesthetic that pairs well with the dashboard we've been working on. Plenty of information on this page about our vision, the team, the payroll features, add-ons, the development process, etc, etc. Oh my goodness. I bought the domain at namecheap.com for like $24 a year, both the .com and .ca versions, because our main target audience for now is small Canadian businesses. Also because nobilitypay.ca has a wonderful ring to it. Does it not? Nobilitypay.ca? Oh my, that is a radio ad. What? Nobilitypay.ca for all your payroll needs. Wait till our future marketing team hears about this, dude. I have chosen to host our landing page on Vercel, the same geniuses behind Next.js. Originally, I gave Netlify a shot since they offer a free plan, but I ran into a bunch of internal errors, and it turns out Vercel has a generous free plan as well, so for a smoother experience, I decided to roll with Vercel. All it took was 3 clicks. Incredible. Along with the landing page, we set up Instagram and Twitter accounts for Nobility Pay. In the meantime, Michael has been working hard on a compelling pitch deck for Nobility Pay. The pitch deck is a blueprint of how we aim to reshape the payroll landscape. It outlines our plans and goals from initial rollout to eventual expansion, and each slide is carefully calibrated to provide potential investors, partners, or even future team members a glimpse into the future of Nobility Pay. The pitch deck is our foot in the door, a way to clearly show here's the problem we're solving, here's our plan, and here's why it matters. We'll be giving it a test by presenting to a local government service in hopes of securing some funding for hardware and hosting. Very exciting, fingers crossed. Alright, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. This was a different episode than usual, but we really needed to get a landing page up and running. Don't worry, we'll get back to developing the app in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to keep up with the progress and see where this project goes.